And hi again, friends. So today I am going to show you guys my tutorial on how I use my Dyson Airwrap to curl my hair. I just took a shower and we have media day today, just interviews and jackets and stuff like that. So I'm gonna wear my hair down. So I'm gonna make my hair curly and yeah, I'll show you guys how I use my Dyson Airwrap for that. No worries, no more. First, can we just take a minute to look at the box that this comes in? This is so cute. It came with the regular blow drying head, two of each of these, different sizes. I use the smaller one. A brush, another brush, and then the round brush. I really only I actually tried all of them, but for what we're doing today, I think my roots need to be dried a little bit. So we're gonna blow dry my roots first, and then we're using the smaller barrels for this. Also, I've already put heat protectant in my hair. I put it in with my intensive leave-in conditioner. But yeah, basically all you do is you snap it in like that, and then magic. I put my heat all the way up and I don't even know what that's called, the intensity all the way up. And then, yeah. Now when you're curling, you don't want to blow dry your whole head. You just want to blow dry your roots because you want your hair to be a little bit wet because it dries into a better curl. I've used it both with dry and wet hair, and it actually works a little bit better with damp hair. So I'm gonna blow dry it until my hair is just damp, and then I'll start. Okay, I'd say that's probably a good wetness. So basically there's a little lock thing, and you just pull it down, take it off. And I'm going to use this one first. When you look in the mirror, you go in the direction of the arrows. So I'm going to do this side first because I do them back like that, so I'm using this one. You just snap it in, super easy. And then I'm actually going to brush and part my hair how I want it. Okay, so this is the part I want. And now I start with my bangs normally. So I start with these little front baby hairs. And basically you just want to hold it close to your head, and it'll suck your hair up, which I'll show you guys. So hold my piece of hair. And it gets pretty hot, so you'll want to be careful. Look at that. Completely dry, tiny curl. So you can also, there's the little blue button that's up here, and that's once it's on, and you just push it up and hold it, it does cool air, so it dries your curl, or cools your curl down, so then it stays longer. I'm gonna be using some product in my hair after this, so I normally just skip that part. But if you're just wanting to do no product in your hair, just have a nice curl or wave, you can set your curl with the cooler air and then not have to worry about using product. I'm gonna like do this like fast forward. So it's not perfect, but like that's all it takes. And then you just go in and do the little pieces that you missed, but it's super easy and super fast. This side is done. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna switch to the other barrel because this one sucks the other way. So we're gonna switch them out. Be careful because they get hot. Basically, you just pull it out with the little unlock thingy. And then you snap the other one back in and then you just switch. This literally saves me so much time because now my hair is dried and curled in the same amount of time it would take just to blow dry my hair. At this point, I let it sit and cool for a second, and then I go in with some dry texture spray. I have the living proof one right now, but normally I use the Moroccan oil one. I like how that one smells better, the Moroccan oil one, but this one works just as good. So I'll show you guys what I do with this. Okay, here we go with the dry texture spray. So I go in, I give myself volume at the root, and then I go through and spray the curls too. I like separate them a little bit. Then I'll flip my hair over, shake my head around, and then flip it back, and then brush it out. I don't like ringlet curls like this. I like just having it like wavy per se. But you guys will see that in a sec. And it's gonna look messy while you're doing it. It'll look like you just screwed up all your curls, but it's supposed to look like that at first. See what I mean? Like, it looks like a disaster, but I promise you, it'll look good. So now, flip your head over, shake it out. You're gonna look stupid, but it's okay. Now it's just like a puffy mess. So now flip it back forward, and it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look wild. That's why you brush it. So how I brush it is I brush it up and back, like that. And then I brush the curl from the back and the front. So then it looks like that. So this turns into this. this is how it turns out. And I think that by far the Dyson Airwrap does curls better than my normal curling iron and anything else I've tried. So I 100% recommend it and say it's worth the money, because you'll never need another hair tool ever again. This video is not sponsored, but I love this. I got this for my birthday and this is the coolest thing I've ever gotten. So I just wanted to share. But anyway, I have interviews today, so this was perfect. But thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And leave a comment for any other videos you want to see, any suggestions, anything like that. But I'll see you guys in the next video.